Today I am exploring the untouched beauty. This phrase highlights that the video will focus on parts of Balochistan that remain largely unspoiled by mass tourism or modern development. It gives the viewer the sense that they will witness something rare and pristine. Balochistan refers to the largest province in Pakistan, known for its diverse landscapes including mountains, deserts, and the Arabian Sea coastline. Balochistan is rich in natural beauty and cultural heritage, but is less explored compared to other regions in Pakistan. Hidden gems implies that the video will feature lesser-known, off-the-beaten-path locations in Balochistan that are unique or extraordinary, but not widely recognized by the general public or tourists of Pakistan. This situates the video within the context of the country, highlighting Balochistan as a part of Pakistan that deserves more attention. Overall, the title suggests a travel or adventure video showcasing the scenic, cultural, and natural wonders of Balochistan, aimed at viewers looking to discover a side of Pakistan that is rarely highlighted. If you like my video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.